Hey guys, my name is Will. We're here at Rottweiler Performance. We are a leading manufacturer and distributor of parts for KTM, Husqvarna, GasGas adventure motorcyclists. We have some parts of ours right here. We have a triple clamp and an intake system for the 790 Adventure. Fits everything from 2019 to 2024 current. So we're also a retailer, a root distributor of REV-X products. We have an opportunity to test them in-house, not only by our enthusiast employees, but also on our in-house dyno. Get to really decide or really figure out the performance benefits and gains of using REV-X products. Not only fuel cleaner, engine oil additive, but also just it's really nice on maintenance of the bike. And keeps it nice and healthy. Really stoked to offer. If there's anything we can help you with, anything KTM, Husqvarna, GasGas related, give us a call. Hopefully in the near future, we can grow that a little bit more.